So now let's go ahead and look at increasing, decreasing, and constant functions. So looking at our graph here, we have -2 to a +1, and this is going to be increasing. And then from 1 to, looks like 3, we have constant. And then the last thing, from 3 to 5, we have decreasing. So where is it increasing? Well, looking at our graph, we have increasing from -2 to 1. So go ahead and write that in. -2 to 1. Constant from 1 to 3. And then finally decreasing from 3 to 5. How about this one? We have increasing from -infinity all the way to -1. So go ahead and write that. Increasing from -infinity to -1. And then we have decreasing from -1 to -2. -1 to, actually it is a +1. And then finally we have constant from our +1 all the way to +infinity. So looking at a word problem here, we have a similar graph with gas over time and then our gallons of gas. So for our first minute, we're increasing. And then from our minute 1 to minute 3, we are decreasing. And then finally, we remain constant from 3 to 4. So we can go ahead and answer our questions here. When is gas changing the most rapidly? Well, it's changing the most rapidly from 0 to 1. Notice how this curve is pretty steep versus this other one. So we can say changing most rapidly from 0 to 1. And then our unit is going to be minutes here. After how many minutes does the gas decrease? Well, our gas starts decreasing after 1 minute. So we can say after 1 minute it starts decreasing. So 1 minute. And then our final question here, how many gallons remain after 3 minutes? So 3 minutes, it looks like we have 3 gallons of gas remaining at 3 minutes. So 3 gallons.